Hi friends, this is Lokesh Gorantla. Today we are going to discussing about the how to read Excel data using Karate framework. For that we need to import this line. This is Apache one. Apache we need to get the from the Google and you can import this package to Gradle build. In this build after that we have to refresh. Then we need to create two things. One is utility package and another one is test data. For that to read the Excel data, we need to save that Excel file and we need to take it up. And second one is in utility we have to reading purpose, we need to write the some code. See, this is my test data. I save the values. This is the my sheet and this is my columns. Okay, in that I saved here for the email ID. Okay, second thing is this is the method to read that file. It will take the two parameters. One is a sheet, another one is a test ID. Test ID is this one. If you pass this one, it will take that into this value. Okay. Here, this is the path to read the. This is a system.get property. What will happen? It will read the your system project inside your local where the project is presented. That project directory it will read. And that project directory, it is the two things, test data and is the folder. This is the test data folder and this is the sheet like Excel file name. These two things we need to provide. The file, it will read the path and it will read the workbook. Entire path we need to import into the file input stream. It will read the entire file location. This is the workbook. Workbook is basically, this is the book. Entire book, this they called as a sheet. Entire Excel sheet is called as a workbook. And our local, how we are going to write notebook, right? The same way, this is the Excel sheet. This is a workbook. In this workbook, we need to pass the sheet name. This is a sheet. This is a sheet. You can use the sheet name as any kind of name. Like based upon your test case, we have to give the name. And it will take as a test case ID, right? For in this sheet, it will read this sheet values. The second thing, what is the one is a row. Getting the inside the sheet a row. These are rows. These are all columns. Okay. It will, these all are the rows and it will all are the columns. I'm getting the row data. Get row position is 0. Okay. Then I am looping that particular row. Get last cell num. What will happen? It will get the all the cell numbers in that row. All the cell values it will get, and I'm going to looping in that first row. What is the one? Test case ID. I'm going to test case ID. In this test case ID, I'm going to take the comparing to the two values, this one, this one, this one, right? The row 0, first I'm reading the this headers. In this header, I'm comparing the test case ID. If it is match, then I'm going to get last row num. First I read these values, then I'm going to, once the value is match, if the value is match, then I'm going to get the all the rows count, how many is present in the sheet, that all the rows I'm getting, right? In that, what I'm doing to comparing to get the cell value. Cell value means I'm reading the, it will take the two parameters, right? One is JSON and then test case ID. I'll read the value. If given test case ID, getting the cell value, both are matching or not. This value and coming value, both are matching or not. Given value and getting value, both values are matched, then go to inside that to read the cell value. last cell value. What is the cell values? If the test case ID is presented TC001, then need to read the second header. Okay, in the second header, what is the JSN? If the JSN is equal, then go to the cell value to get the entire cell value, then return that cell value as a string. This method is basically a string type of value, right? Once this value is returned here, mine is def email ID equal to, this is the calling the, our method is ready, right? Now this is a getting the entire data. Now we need to call here, what is the, this is the one simple thing, need to get the call the class. For that we need to Java.type we need to give, because this is Java class, right? We are going to call a Java class. Inside the Java class, the method we are going to call. For that we need to first call the class. Like we are going to create the object of the class, then we are going to call the methods using that object, right? The same way we are going to create the first object. This is the class object we are going to create. Like this, we need to give the complete path of the class. Then we need to call the insert the method. We need to use this object, and our method is get, right? For that, get is the get data. It is having the two parameters, one is sheet, another one is test case ID. That I passed as sheet is a sheet one and test case ID, right? It will get the value. Now run this class and see that how it will read, and we will get the pass result, because it will get the value and it will showcase that pass. See, now pass count is pass, right? Now I will refresh this one. We will see the report. Verify the test case. See, it will get the value and it will pass. And you can able to see that what all the methods are present. The sheet is getting and email ID is verified. And I'm going to pass the wrong email ID. I'm going to lokesh.gmail.com. I'll give the some random name, and I save this one, and I'm going to run the value. It will showcase the failed one. Say, now the fail. Why assert is showing the fail? We need to check. See, failed assert is basically it will showcase the error message. Both values are not matching, right? We'll go and refresh this report and we'll see that why it is failed. Now see, email ID is not matching. What is the expected? This is the expected email ID, but actual value expected is I given as my wrong email ID. Both are not matching, right? Actual and expected. Then it is fill the reason. If I give the valid one, I'll pass this one again to Excel sheet. It will showcase the pass. Now again I will run and I will show the pass. A simple verification, it will get the value and we can able to read the value using the karate framework. Now see the pass count, refresh, see pass, correct? Nothing difficulty, and we can easily to call the Java class into the karate framework. We can able to implement that also. This is all about the how to read the Excel file. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please like and please comments and please share this video to your friends and subscribe my video. Thank you.